Oh, this is a tough question because it's so cringeworthy. Let's take a look at all the variations. So it honestly started with me just playing around on Photoshop on a Sunday. The problem is that you do need Photoshop to do this, and it's expensive. If you do the full package up there, it's extra expensive, so I just bought this, and I was just saying to myself, I'll do it for a month. But sites like Freepik are awesome. You can download templates that designers have already made and just tweak them in Photoshop. All right, let's take a look at some of those first designs that I made and get ready to cringe. Interesting. All right, you've seen something like this before. I did like the fix up element to it. Okay, so I was getting kind of confident. I'd made some designs, I printed them out, and I bought these bottles on Amazon and wanted to see what it looked like in real life. And my amazing wife even helped me make some boxes because she's a rock star. Okay, so what I did realize is that you have to design the bottles that are easily available, which is how we came up with this nice sleek bow tie version, which then led to some more rounded, easy to get jars and these sample bottles. But clearly there were some limitations, which is when I realized I needed to take it up a notch. Before we dive into his phenomenal designs, here's a little summary of all the designs I went through. It looks fantastic, but probably too masculine. So this is where we get a little colorful and a bit more colorful, and then drum roll, the final bottles. And I can't tell you, the most exciting moment is seeing something you designed online appear in person.